Hello students, in this video I'm going to solve from question number 5 in the Acet 2021 March paper. It is Acet 2021 March question paper. Okay, so what is given here? In this question number 5 we have given a logarithm based question. Log 5 base 15 is A, and we need to find out log 81 base 15. So log 15 here, so this is 3 to the power 4, so 4 log 3 base 15, so 4 log. Now this 3 can be written as 15 by 5. Why I am writing? Because this 215 will be together then. So then 4 log 15 base 15 minus log 5 base 15. That's it. So 4 into 1 minus a we can write, because log 15 base 15 1 and log 5 base 15 is a. So 4 into 1 minus a. So here we can see the answer is B. 4, 5, answer is B. Next one. There's a limit based question, very interesting. So limit with the summation. Limit n tends to infinity n of k to k equal to 1 to n and 1 by k into k plus 2. So how you are going to do it? Let's split it. So limit n tends to infinity summation of 1 by k into k plus 2. Okay, so limit n tends to infinity summation of 1 by 2k 1 by 2 into k plus 2. We can write it in this way. So now we can also split this thing. So limit n tends to infinity, so 1 by 2 1 by 4 dot 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 1 by 2n. This is the first part, and this is 1 by 6 1 by 8 dot 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 1 by 2 into n minus 1 plus 2, and the last term is 1 by 2 into n plus 2. That's it. So if we just recalculate everything, so limit n tends to infinity, so all these things will be cancelled out, so half and 1 by 4 will exist, minus 1 by 2 into n minus 1 plus 2 plus 1 by 2 into n plus 2. So 1 by infinity is 0, so these two parts are gone, so only these two segments, so this is giving you 3 by 4. So the answer is D. Now we move forward to the next one, that is question number 7. So in 7 we have alpha and beta, that are the roots of the equation 3x square minus 6x plus 1, the equation whose roots are 1 by a square and 1 by a square, alpha square actually should be, and 1 by beta square if they have given in that way. So alpha plus beta are the sum of the roots 2b, and alpha beta are the product of the roots 1 by 3. So we can find out these two values, 1 by alpha square 1 by beta square. So alpha square plus beta square by alpha square beta square. That's it. So here a plus b whole square minus 2ab into a plus b whole square. So if you just put these values, so 4 minus 2 by 3 1 by 9, so 10 into 3, so this is 30 coming, and 1 by alpha square and 1 by beta square, this product is 1 by alpha beta whole square, so this is 9. So the required equation is x square minus sum of the roots, that is this 30, 1 by alpha square 1 by beta square plus 1 by alpha square beta square. So x square minus 30x plus 9. Hence the answer is A. Okay. Now we move forward to question number 8. Let me just clear this part. So here the expression 1 plus x whole to the power n they have given. The fifth term is 4 times the fourth term, and fourth term is 6 times the third term. Okay. So the general term, first binomial आप सबने किया ही है, so NCR x to the power r equal to 0 1 2 dot 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 n. Okay, so fifth term is T5, so NC4 x to the power 4. Fourth term is T4, so NC3 x cube. Third term is in that way, NC2 x square. So the condition is T5 is 4 into T4. So that means NC4 x4 equal to 4 into NC3 x cube. And T4 is 6 into third, so NC3 into x cube equal to 6 into NC2 into x square. So this is the total stuff. So here we have NC4 by NC3 equal to 6 into NC3 by NC 4 into this and 6 into this. Okay, so considering n minus 1, n minus 3 will come here by 4, and 2 by 3, n minus 2 by 3. You can solve it and you can get 3 3s are 9, 4 9, 9 8 by 9, and this is n and n, so 8n minus 16, so n equal to 11. That's it. So C is the answer. Let's go to the next page. Question number 9. The third order divided difference of the function f3 x cube minus 2x with the argument 2, 4, 9 and 10. So here we can do one thing. So divided order difference. So let me add one thing here. Inserting a page here. So x, fx, first order, second order, third order. We change the color here, red. So 2, 4, 9 and 10. Fx will be, if you put it into the function, this will be the value 711 and 980. So the first difference is 56 minus 4. So this minus this divided by 4 minus 2. That is 26. Second is, let me just complete the first. So 711 minus 56, 9 by 4. Okay, so this is 131, and 980 minus 711 by 10 minus 9, so this is 269. Similarly now this to this, 131 minus 26 divided by 9 minus 2. Okay, and okay, this 9 and this 2, so the next one will be 10 and 4, so 269. So after you go to the second level, so this will be the changes. So 131, so this is 15, this is 23. In the third order, 23 minus 15, and this is 10 minus 2. So 23, 8 by 8, 1. Okay, so this is the basic structure. So now if we get back to the previous thing, so 9's answer is A. Sorry, 9's answer is A. Okay, that's 1, the last part. Next one, 10. In 10 they have given approximate value of the integration by Simpson's 1/3 rule with the interval h equal to half. Very easy. So fx equal to, you take only the function 1 by 1 plus x, h equal to half. So x and fx का यहाँ पर दो पार्ट हो जाएगा, 0, half, 1. फंक्शन में डालने पर ये 2/3 और ये हाफ ही रहेगा. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ द इंटीग्रल यूजिंग द सिम्पसन्स 1/3 रूल, आई इक्वल टू क्या आता है, h by 3 f0 प्लस f1 प्लस 4 इंटू f ऑफ हाफ. ठीक है. सो 1 by 6, 1 प्लस हाफ प्लस 8 by 3. सो आंसर इज 25 by 36. सो 10 आंसर इज डी. ओके, तो चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. 11 मैक्सिमम वैल्यू पूछा है ऑफ द फंक्शन. इसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, आपको डेरिवेटिव करना पड़ेगा. सो द मैक्सिमम वैल्यू ऑफ दिस, मैक्सिमम वैल्यू ऑफ साइन एक्स सिंपली क्या आता है, 1. ओके, सो एफ एक्स इक्वल टू 4 इंटू साइन एक्स, 3 इंटू कॉस एक्स. सो दैट इज 5 इंटू साइन ऑफ एक्स प्लस थीटा, वेयर थीटा क्या है, कॉस इनवर्स 4 by 5. So obviously if we calculate this, so this will be 1. So सबको साइन के हिसाब से लाने से ये आ जाएगा 5. So the answer is C. Last question for this video. The value of y equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d as a inflection point. Inflection मतलब दो बार डेरिवेटिव करके 0 आएगा. सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव इक्वल टू 0. So the first dy dx क्या आएगा, 3ax square 2bx plus c. d2y dx2 आएगा इसके बाद, सो 6ax प्लस 2b। ओके, ये है हम लोग का सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव एट x इक्वल टू 1। दिस इम्प्लाइज 3a प्लस b। ओके, ओके 3a प्लस बी, सेकेंड ऑर्डर भी ज़ीरो करना होता है और फर्स्ट ऑर्डर भी, तो इन दोनों वैल्यू को अगर लिया जाए, सो 3a प्लस बी पॉइंट ऑफ इन्फ्लेक्शन को रहने के लिए, सो 12 आंसर इज